Want to make Instagram a safer space for your family? In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable nudity protection, a feature that helps protect your children by blurring inappropriate content. First, open the Instagram app. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on them to open a menu. Scroll down until you find the Messages and Story Replies section and tap on it. This is the area where Instagram manages privacy settings for messages and stories. Next, locate the option labeled Nudity Protection. Tap on it and you'll see a toggle switch. Make sure the toggle is turned on. You'll know it's active when it changes color. With this setting enabled, Instagram will automatically blur images if it detects nudity in your messages. This ensures your kids won't see any inappropriate content while using the app. You've enabled an important safety feature to protect your family while using Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tutorials.